Hey guys, it's Cory again. A couple days ago, I created a video, a YouTube video, a Loom video on how to transfer post-call outcome data to Google Sheets. So it's kind of a parallel one to the transferring post-call outcome data to Google Sheets. This is using GHL. So, yep, go high level. So, I will, you guys get to see me edit it in real time. So, using go high level automation. So, anyway, this is in parallel to one that Air did with using Zapier, however you want to say it. Anyhow, so this kind of walks over the key steps. The objective, of course, is to get your post-call outcome data from an inbound webhook into a Google Sheet using Go High Level Automation. So you set up the inbound webhook, you create the automation for inbound and outbound calls. So it splits, and you'll see the video. I've linked the video down here for that tutorial. So it splits because inbound and outbound, the to and the from phone numbers swap. So you want to make those two different paths and then configure the Google Sheets action. So that's another piece in the Go High Level account. And both this one right here, the inbound webhook, and the Google Sheets action are premium functions inside of Go High Level. And then you test it. So there's a nice little test key built into Air to a test button. You can push that, and they've got fake data, shall we say, test data, that it will ship over to you, and you'll drop it, and it'll drop it right into your Google Sheet for you. So this is, kind of a step-by-step, so you could print this out and have this next to you, or, just work off of this. They are linked together, so this links to that video that actually tells you how to do it, and, I walk you through it. So anyhow, this should help these integrations, and look forward to you getting some use out of this.